Today we're gonna do a experiment out in the snow. So Alexa, how cold is it outside? Alexa, how cold is it outside?
Today, expect a low of 9 degrees Fahrenheit.
Alright, so let's go do our experiment. Okay girls, so you're gonna pick a spot. You see Mr. Freezy, he fell over. You're gonna pick a spot. Not that way. Wait, we're gonna crack an egg on the snow and see how long it takes for the egg to freeze. So we got Brooklyn's egg freezing. We're gonna redo Taylor's.
Because hers was a bad egg. Yeah. Taylor.
Alright, we're gonna set timers like maybe 5, 10, 15 minute timers and come back and check on them. Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Second timer, 10 minutes, starting now.
Alright, so we set our timer both times for 15 minutes, equaling that out to 30 minutes out here in the snow.
Jiggly still.
It's still jiggly, so it didn't really freeze it at all, did it?
Yeah. But that one. Yeah, I think so Connie.
This one's halfway frozen.
Yeah. That one's rotten.
That was rotten. This one is still
Jiggly. Leave the egg alone.
It didn't really freeze.
Yeah.
Alright, so thank you guys for watching our experiment for today. What do you want to tell your